Environmental impact and sustainability efforts. Apple's commitment to environmental sustainability is reflected in the design and manufacturing process of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's delve into the various efforts and initiatives aimed at reducing its environmental impact. Progress toward Apple's 2030 carbon neutral goal. Apple has set an ambitious goal to become carbon neutral across its entire supply chain and product life cycle by 2030. The iPhone 16 Pro Max plays a significant role in achieving this goal, with Apple implementing various strategies to minimize carbon emissions. From renewable energy initiatives to carbon offset programs, Apple is leading the charge towards a greener future. Made with better materials. The materials used in the construction of the iPhone 16 Pro Max are carefully selected to minimize environmental impact. Apple prioritizes the use of recycled and renewable materials wherever possible, reducing the demand for virgin resources and lowering greenhouse gas emissions. By incorporating recycled aluminum, tin, and rare earth elements into its products, Apple is reducing its reliance on mining and promoting a more circular economy. Energy efficient. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is designed with energy efficiency in mind, helping to reduce its overall environmental footprint. From the A-series chip to the display and battery management system, every component is optimized for maximum performance with minimal energy consumption. This not only extends the device's battery life, but also reduces the amount of energy required to charge and operate the device, resulting in lower carbon emissions over its lifespan. Smarter chemistry integration. Apple is committed to eliminating harmful chemicals from its products and manufacturing processes. The iPhone 16 Pro Max incorporates safer materials and innovative manufacturing techniques to minimize its environmental impact. By replacing traditional solvents and adhesives with less toxic alternatives, Apple is reducing air and water pollution while ensuring the safety of its employees and customers. Green manufacturing practices. Apple's manufacturing facilities are powered by renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, reducing their carbon footprint. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is assembled using energy-efficient processes and technologies, further minimizing its environmental impact. Additionally, Apple works closely with its suppliers to improve energy efficiency and reduce waste throughout the production process. Responsible packaging initiatives. Apple is committed to reducing the environmental impact of its packaging materials. The packaging for the iPhone 16 Pro Max is made from recycled and responsibly sourced materials, minimizing waste and conserving natural resources. Apple also designs its packaging to be as compact and lightweight as possible, reducing transportation emissions and lowering its overall carbon footprint. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is not only a technological marvel but also a symbol of Apple's commitment to environmental sustainability. From its design and materials to its manufacturing and packaging, every aspect of this device is carefully crafted to minimize its impact on the planet. By choosing the iPhone 16 Pro Max, consumers can make a positive choice for the environment without compromising on performance or innovation.